Hello everyone, Beth with Pearl Treasure Designs here once again with today's challenge collaboration. We're going right into the crafting today, but we will have more to say about our wonderful hosts and co-hosts later on in the video. So let's head to the craft room and see what's cooking. DIY number 1. We're getting started with this tray. I had pre-glued some wood rounds on the bottom for legs, and now I am doing the Waverly White chalk paint to the inside and the top edge of the outside and under the rim. And so I left that dry and did a couple coats to make sure it was done. And now I'm adding the rope cord to the outside bottom edge of this tin. I did use E6000 and hot glue for immediate hold, and the E6000 for permanent hold. And I did this twice around to give it some depth, and then in between I did put jute rope on the bottom, the middle, and the top of the rope rounds itself. And then you will get to see how I finish this off in just a minute. And I did go ahead and use some rub-on transfers from Prima, and I loved how it came out. And here's our host for What Would You Make collaboration open invite. Our host at OK at Home DIY, guest host Deco Easy, and host Connie's Woodshop and DIYs. Please be sure to check out their channels and see what they are all about. You'll find their descriptions in my description box. So please be sure to check out all their videos and their wonderful ideas. DIY number 2. I had this in my stash for a few years and decided that I wanted to make a USA flag with this wood piece that I had, and I am layering a white layer to go ahead and place my my star cutouts that I had glued and put in my sticker maker. I wanted to see if this would work since I couldn't find the stickers at the store and I didn't have a template, so I was trying to use what I had, and so far so good. And so I ended up covering the entire thing with the Waverly White chalk paint, and I really liked how this came out. I like that rustic look, and so it made it easier for the striping that I was going to have to do. I used frog tape because it's less likely to bleed into the other colors. And so I am doing the blue here, trying to use those stars as, you know, the templates since I didn't have it. This part gave me a little bit of a pistol. It was not working out as well as I hoped, and I did end up going through and taking a very fine paintbrush and working those out. And you'll see that in the final reveal. DIY number 3. This piece of wood, a couple pieces of wood I got at Eco Relics here in Jacksonville, and I thought it would just make an amazing sign for a new booth that myself and Crafty Art Shack have opened. And so I wanted something that said Kids Corner and our little sign, the Chic Shack. And so I did end up with this natural piece of mahogany, and this came from Eco Relics right here in Jacksonville. Check them out. Steve is the manager. Just a fantastic experience every time we go. And they have amazing deals on carts and baskets of wood. So go check them out. See what they have available right now. It was amazing. I've turned into a wood junkie. So what you see here is the cut of mahogany was already shaped that way. At the end, I did add some embellishing finish nails, the chain to hang it, eyelets for the wood piece, and And I added clear wax to the wood to make sure that it was sealed on both pieces. I added a decorative L bracket for hanging on the wall and a messy jute bow for the top. And you'll get to see that at the final reveal. We used Eco Relics, reuse, recycle, and repurpose wood. It is an amazing place right here in Jacksonville. You need to check them out. They have some amazing deals on carts of wood, baskets of wood. Go talk to Steve, the manager over there. It was a fantastic experience, and you'll really, really enjoy what they have to offer. So check them out online. Go to Stockton Street. Thanks for watching. A big shout out to all my subscribers. If you're not subscribed, it's free. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit that like button and share with all your friends. I really would appreciate that. Now, for all of you that might need spiritual support, please go to pastorbethkelly@gmail.com, or you can also find me at Pastor Beth Kelly at Beth Kelly Podcast on YouTube. Listen, folks, we're all in this together.